Do you have a problem with your cat? Come check this out.
Hey! So what's the problem?
Well, the problem is she's scratching up the paint and she's dirtied the roller shade. She's dirtied the whole window just by being there.
Everything around this window is dirty because of her. So today I'd like to show you how to wash a dirty roller shade. If you remember, the cat made a mess of this thing. She's still in here. Hello? Oh, wow. I didn't even see that. Let's get a close-up of that. You see this? She really messed up the inside. So I think the best way to wash this actually would be to take it down. If not, I would end up making a mess of the wall here and the window frame. So we're going to remove it before we wash it, okay? First, pull it up. So the first thing we're going to do is this clip here. There's two of them on this shade. A larger shade will have more, but this shade only has two. You push this thumb tab here, and then you angle the shade out and see it's loose now. Then we get the other side. And so I removed the roller shade so that we can clean it. All you need to clean your roller shades is some dishwashing detergent, a sponge, maybe a rag or a towel to dry them off. Okay, so the top of the shade is also dirty as well. I'll deal with that after when we dry it. The back of the shade, if you remember, is very dirty. So what I'm going to do is actually open it all the way up. And I'm seeing that it's mostly dirty on the bottom. You can see in here, it's the bottom that's dirty. On the back, because that's where the cat was rubbing, and also the front. So, okay, so this is the back. I'm going to turn it around. There it is. And since I'm just washing literally like half of it, I'm going to keep it like this. Okay. And then you don't have to have a handle like this, but I have a handle, so I'm gonna use it. And mainly I'm going to use hot water. Okay. So first we're just gonna rinse it. Okay. So hot. Turn it off for a minute here. I'm not going to spread the soap directly on there. I'm going to use this sponge. Okay. And then put on the sponge. Oops, I did a little on that, so it's going to wash it. And this is when you're going to have a serious problem, like what we have with the cat. If it's just dust, I mean, it's been like 1 year since we installed this shade. This cat's dirty. We're going to have to find another solution for that window. Okay. Now you got to be careful also which fabric you're using, because this is a vinyl coated polyester, which is very strong. It's considered a solar screen or a sunscreen. So it's very durable. If you have a polyester or a different type of material, then you're not going to be able to wash it this way. So it's only going to be for the solar shade type material. Okay. Here it's dirty, you can see it. Okay, I'm going to rinse off this side and then flip it over after. Yeah. Okay, so now this is the side from the front. I flipped the shade over, and you can see this is the side that, the cat, Bugga, was coming into the side on the front. The back was the one that was really filthy, but I'm just going to put some more soap. That side? This side. More soap here. And just wash it up. I'm washing the rest a little bit, but it doesn't really need it. But just in case. Okay. Okay, so now I'm going to rinse it. Hot water. I'm going to rinse both sides. Just make sure you get all the soap off. You don't want the soap on there because having too much soap on the shade, not rinsing it well, will actually cause more dirt to attract to it. You don't want anything left on the shade. So I'm rinsing it really well. And you don't have to worry about rust because the bottom rail is aluminum, so that's a good thing. Oh, and make sure that your shade doesn't have a wood bottom rail, or old school ones. So make sure it's aluminum like this one. That's good. Basically, you shake it out. Stand it up. Okay, so I'm just gonna like shake it off a little bit. Okay, this is still the front. Oh, remember we had the top was dirty, but I didn't wash it. Now with a rag, I mean, it's not really much, but you can see even just wiping the metal, it does a good job. So when you're gonna dry the fabric though, don't use the same side. So I'm gonna just use the opposite side. Turn it around here. Hold on. Mainly just drying, not scrubbing. It's scrubbed in the tub. Just drying it. Okay. Okay. So one thing I'm not going to do is roll it up. I'm going to keep it down and install it like that. Yes, they say you're supposed to install them with them all the way up, but I'm just going to click it in with it down, so that way I can check if there's any soap or residue or anything while it's in the window. Okay, so let's go to the window. Bugga, get out of here. Come on, I got to put this back up. You're going to dirty it again. Go. So she finally left. So I'm going to put this back up and install it. Check out our how to install a cordless roller shade video as well with DIY Aidan. Okay. You just put it up and click it in. There we go, it's in. So washing your roller shades, anybody can do it because it's just like washing dishes. Guys, thank you very much.